In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Logitech MX Master 3S via Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to connect and use your Logitech MX Master 3S mouse via Bluetooth on any device that supports Bluetooth. So all that you have to do is set up the mouse first. So turn it on by sliding the power switch on the bottom of the mouse to the on position. So if you look at the bottom of the mouse, you will be able to find the toggle. You just have to make sure that it is set to the on position. After this is done, you will be able to put the mouse in pairing mode. So press and hold the easy switch button located at the bottom of the mouse for about 3 seconds. There will be an LED light on the mouse that will start blinking rapidly, indicating that it is now ready to be paired in pairing mode. So you will be able to put it on close proximity of any device that has Bluetooth, and when you go over to the Bluetooth settings on your computer, laptop, or any other device, make sure that it is enabled and the mouse is going to appear under the list of available devices. If you don't see it there, press and hold the easy switch button like I mentioned for around 3 seconds. As long as the LED is blinking and the mouse is set to pairing mode, it is going to appear under the list of available devices. Once you choose the MX Master 3S as a Bluetooth device, it is going to pair itself up with the device that you are using. The LED light on the mouse will stop blinking and that is going to remain solid, and you will now be able to use the mouse wirelessly over Bluetooth. Make sure that it is sufficiently charged, and if it doesn't have enough battery, you will be able to plug it in using the provided USB-C to USB-A cable in order to charge it. You can download Logitech Options Plus for advanced customization, and inside of the software, you will be able to see the battery levels, customize some settings about the mouse like the sensitivity and so on, and you will be able to use it wirelessly. You will be able to use it on any device that supports Bluetooth, and you can also plug in the USB wireless receiver if you prefer and you want to get lower latency. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Logitech MX Master 3S via Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.